Tired of spending too much money heating your home? Let Fireside Supply help reduce your energy costs. We're offering cash and carry deals on all of our top-of-the-line stoves: pellet, gas, electric, and wood. Just bring a truck and pick it up. We carry all the best name brand stoves in the industry: Harmon, Vermont Castings, Regency, and Heat and Glow. For pellets, we carry Northern Warmth Supreme Douglas Fir, the best brand in the industry, and LG softwood pellets made from black spruce and gray pine, the best bang for your buck. Come on down to Fireside Supply, located at 33B East Street, Hebron, Connecticut, servicing the area since 1992. Get down here soon for cash and carry discounts, and let me, Tony TNT Grano, your blue-collar boxing champion, help you knock out your heating bill. Bah! Fireside and TNT Grano, a winning combination.
Don't forget to mention promo code TNT24 to get an additional incentive.